When I grew up in high school, I had a lot of acne, and I suffered from it because I didn't know how to kind of fix it or remedy the issues. So I used products, to wash my face, and it would work maybe about a month or two, and then it would stop working. And then when I got into college, I still had a lot of acne, and I didn't like it because I didn't have a lot of social interaction. My name is David Nguyen. I work for a top 500 company, a tech company. I'm a consultant for the company, and I've always suffered with skin and acne issues. Now, I just feel better that my skin looks better, and I'm really happy to kind of showcase that to all my friends and family. I had an epiphany moment. I remember I was staring at myself in the face in the mirror in the bathroom, and I saw all these blemishes on my face, and I can't do this anymore. I'm over it. I kind of given up, to be honest with you. I kind of gave up. And when I was in that moment of kind of like, lost, I didn't know what to do. And so when I saw my medical esthetician, she would prescribe me something like Skinpen that could do microneedling. That was kind of the surefire way for me, honestly. I met Elizabeth about 5 years ago, and she met me at my work, and I remember I was helping her out with her issue that she had. And she asked me out of the blue, she goes, "Are you shy?" And I go, "What do you mean, am I shy?" She goes, "With your skin." And I've never been asked that question before by anybody. And so when I went and met with Elizabeth, I met her at her office, and then we did our skin treatments. Fast forward a few years later, Skinpen came out, and I gave that a shot. And before I gave that a shot, I did a lot of research to find out what it was. And I saw that it was microneedling, and that kind of scared me a little bit. I was unaware, I was unsure of what it might be. And then when I ended up doing the process, it was easy. I loved it. I mean, the results just speak for themselves.
Once we had the acne all under control, we still had those acne scars. So I knew exactly what to do. As a skilled medical esthetician, I turned to microneedling, and I wanted something precise, something effective, something with results, and something safe. And Skinpen by Bellis is exactly that. Before the treatment, I was very skeptical, and then after it happened, I just felt so much better about it. Before, I didn't know how my skin was going to react to the microneedling because all the other acids I've tried kind of made my skin flare up a little bit, which was the before. And then after, I was just so taken away that the downtime was only 2 to 3 days maximum. The treatment itself didn't hurt. I was expecting to be a lot more pain because the word microneedling kind of does scare me. But it feels like a soft, gentle pressure on your skin, so it's not too hard. And in fact, on one of the treatments, I did fall asleep, so I did kind of sleep a little bit. I understand that the terminology microneedling sounds scary. I would say the benefits that I've seen with it is less scarring, less acne, boost of confidence. 100%, I can't deny that at all. I would say if you can work with your medical esthetician, formulate a game plan, and I would do it. I would recommend Skinpen. I definitely feel more confident now walking inside a restaurant or getting coffee because when people see me in the face, I look at them, I ask them, tell them my order, I tell them I want my grande frappuccino, whatever the order may be for that day, and I can look at them in the eye. I'm so happy that Elizabeth has worked on my skin. I'm actually getting married next year, and because my skin looks so much better now, I'm actually able to be more confident at the altar. So when I say I do to my fiance, I'm able to take that with a lot of stride. So without Elizabeth's help, I wouldn't be able to have that confidence to say I do to my fiance because my skin wouldn't have looked as good as I wanted it to. I want to say the biggest thank you to Elizabeth Steiner. She's helped me out so much. She's tremendous. She's literally my skin fairy, if that makes any sense. She's taken care of me from start to finish, and I can't thank her anymore.